Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best high chairs that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best high chairs. The right high seat will be a much-loved workhorse in your home. Brand new baby gear is great, but moms have a special place in their hearts for those tried-and-true items that stick around for the long term. Here are our favorite models currently on the market. Number 5. Abai Beyond Wooden High Chair. This is a modern piece that'll last from the infant stage all the way to adult use, and timeless appeal should look great in your home. Main features. So much more than just a high chair. Manufactured in the US and built to last. The wood is scratch resistant. Number 4. Graco Blossom 6-in-1 Convertible High Chair. Many high chairs have different height. However, this one takes it a step further, providing you with 6 different uses as your little one gets bigger. Main features. The pieces are easy to take apart. Can be used by 2 children at the same time. Grows with your child. Number 3. Juvifudu High Chair. Toddlers come in all sizes, one may be petite, the next could be off the growth charts. So to find an all-purpose toddler high chair, you'll need one that's adjustable. Main features. The chair has locking tabs. The tray can be adjusted with one hand. Soft and wipes clean. Number 2. Ingenuity Smart Clean Trio 3-in-1 High Chair. The great thing about this 3-in-1 model is that the plastic is easy to clean, and there aren't many crevices for food to hide in. Main features. The tray can be adjusted to 4 different positions. This chair is very easy to clean. The 5-point harness. Number 1. Pegpareco Siesta High Chair. This multifunctional high chair will see you and your baby through multiple meals. Manufactured in Italy, it combines elements of both classic design and modern convenience. Main features. High-quality materials. Enjoy a sleek, yet classic look. Polyester 70%/cotton 30%. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.